FBI is warning Americans to slow down and think before they act.
A warning from the FBI. The agency has seen an increase in criminals using artificial intelligence to take your money.
Dodgy deepfakes created using readily available AI-powered tools have spread like wildfire across social media.
What you just saw looks like a news story. For me, it wasn't. I once watched a video of myself speaking. The face was mine, the voice was mine, but I never actually said those words. It spread through group chats and I had to explain something people had already watched that had never actually happened. Some friends believed me immediately. Others paused, and that pause stayed with me. My name is Vaishnav Anand and I created DeepTrust. A senior receives a call that sounds like family. A teenager is impersonated online. An employee approves a payment that sounds legitimate. Trust decisions happen instantly. Today, deepfake detection tools exist, but they're built for trained cybersecurity experts and enterprise investigations. Ordinary people have no way to verify what they receive. Most existing detectors analyze only one signal, usually the face. The system learns visual patterns from that single channel. If the face appears realistic, the video is labeled real. But real media doesn't arrive in laboratory conditions. It comes through messaging apps, compressed, forwarded, and screen recorded. When quality drops or the face is partially lost, the signal the detector depends on disappears. The same issue appears in voice scams. Many voice detectors are trained mainly on English speech, but real calls come in different languages, accents, and noisy environments, often short forwarded voice messages. When speech differs from the training data, detection fails. Protection must work on what a person actually hears. The real world constantly changes. New generation models, formats, and distribution pipelines. A model trained on familiar data may perform well in testing but fail in deployment. This is called domain shift. DeepTrust is evaluated on unseen generators in real conditions using a domain shift testing protocol that is currently patent pending. Deepfake detection is not just an accuracy problem, it is a reliability problem in everyday communication. DeepTrust analyzes each frame from 4 independent perspectives, the face and the full frame, in both spatial and frequency domains. Each stream detects different forensic evidence. If compression removes one signal, the others remain. In ablation testing, removing any single stream significantly reduced detection accuracy, showing the system relies on combining multiple evidence sources. This multi-stream fusion architecture, also patent pending, is designed for robustness rather than a single benchmark score. We evaluated the system under real deployment conditions, compressed social media video, multilingual audio, and previously unseen generators. The work was peer-reviewed and presented internationally. It revealed something important. People don't need investigation after damage, they need verification before they act. This is the DeepTrust web application. It runs as a progressive web app, no installation required. A user can upload a video, record suspicious audio, or screen capture a message directly. The system analyzes the content and explains the result clearly. Verification now happens before a person makes a decision. Let's continue looking at the different features of DeepTrust. Deepfake detection is projected to be a $7 billion industry by 2030, but today it's a red ocean, reactive enterprise tools used by analysts after the damage is done. DeepTrust opens a blue ocean by letting everyday users verify specific content the moment they receive it. This graph shows how DeepTrust competes differently. The red line, existing enterprise tools, requires expert analysts, complex software, and prioritizes benchmark accuracy. The blue line is DeepTrust. We deliberately lower those barriers, shifting value toward accessibility, real-world reliability, and multilingual support. Where the lines diverge is our opportunity. The goal is no longer forensic analysis after an incident, it's immediate verification before a person acts. At the center are our current customers, enterprise security teams. The next tier includes employees, teachers, and journalists who occasionally need verification. The second tier includes seniors and families targeted by impersonation scams. The outer tiers are everyday messaging users. DeepTrust converts these non-customers into users. DeepTrust changes the value structure of detection. We eliminate specialist expertise in complex installation. We reduce reliance on single signal detection and lab-only accuracy. We raise real-world reliability and multilingual capability. And we create 3 new capabilities. Verification at the moment a message is received, a browser-based progressive web app that requires no installation, and a clearer user result. A person immediately knows whether content is trustworthy. DeepTrust expands protection from institutions to individuals. When anyone can verify what they see and hear, digital communication becomes trustworthy again. Thank you.